Hi, today we're going to look at multiplication lesson 13. This is Mrs. Oakley, and I need you to make sure you have your notes ready. All right, here we go. So, area model, okay, is exactly like partial product. You're getting part of the answers together, and then you're adding them together to find the total. So, let's do our labeling. First off, we're going to break 34 to 30 plus 4. And we're going to break apart 80 plus 9. Okay, so then here we go. Let's get our text box out. And let's say 30 times 80 equals, because the 30 and the 80, 30 comes down, 80 comes over, equals, well, 3 times 8 is 24. Add 2 zeros. And I'm going to go back and put my comma in. All right, now let's do the next one. 4 times 80 equals, well, 4 times 8 is 32, add 1 0. All right, moving down this way. We have 30 times 9 equals, well, 3 times 9 is 27, add that 1 0. Okay, and in this last box, we have 4 times 9 equals 36. Now, remember, like we did with partial products, area models are exactly the same thing. We're going to take our partial products, are part of our answer. We're going to add them up to get our total answer. 2,400 is our first one, 320, 270, and 36. And remember, to get this answer, we're adding. Okay, so adding on to the ones column, I get 6. In the tens column, I get 12. Carry that 1. In the hundreds column, I get 10. Carry the 1. And that gives me 3. So my answer is 3,026. All right, let's try this again with a new problem. So we're taking 37, we're going to say 30 plus 7 and 20 plus 8. Okay, let's get all of our answers together so we're ready to add. We've got 30 times 20 equals, well, 3 times 2 is 6, add 2 zeros. Then we have 7 times 20 equals, well, that's 14, add a 0. Then we get 30 times 8 equals, 3 times 8 is 24, add the 0. And here we go, we have 7 times 8 equals 56. Now that we have it, we're ready to do our adding, right? Take all our partial. So we got 600, we got 140, 240, and 56. Let's add these together. One column gets me 6. 8, 5 is 13. Here, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get 1,036 is my answer. All right, here are these for you to do. Go ahead and work them out. And pause this video while you're doing it, and then come back and see if you got your answers correct. All right, so on top you should have put 50 plus 2 and 30 plus 4. Let's get all of our products together. So we got 50 times 30 equals, that's 15, add 2 zeros. Go back and add my, wrong place, my comma. All right, and then here we have 2 times 30 equals, well, 2 times 3 is 6, add a 0. All right, here we go. Here we have 50 times 4 equals, 5 times 4 is 20, add the 0. Last but not least, we get 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, Adding them up now. We have 1,500 plus 200 plus 60 plus 8. This isn't too hard to do. 8, 6, 7, 1. So my answer is for this 1,768. Great job. Okay, for the next one, you should have done 70 plus 3 and 10 plus 7. All right, so here we have 70 times 10, 10, not 20, equals 7 times 1 is 7, add 2 zeros. All right, here we have 3 times 10 equals, that gives me 30. Here I have 70, let's put this up. 70 times 7 equals, 7 times 7 is 49, add the 0. And last but not least, we get 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay, ready to add now. So we have 700, we have 490, we have 30, and 21. Let's add these. I get 1, see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Carry the 1, that's 11, 12. So I get 1,241. Great job. If you didn't get these correct, I want you to take your highlighter and I want you to go back and see, where did you make your mistake? Is it pulling the numbers into expanded form? Is it finding the answers in here? Was it adding? Where did your mistake go? All right, you may head back to Classcraft and then continue on your pathway. And I'll see you back here for multiplication lesson 14.